We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. July 12th, 2023. We've just woken up in a tiny cabin in Thakgil, and the night before I hiked to Vatnajokull, a mind-blowing glacier here in the south of Iceland. We're now driving a little over 2 hours northeast to reach Icelandic Mountain Guides' Skaftafell Base Camp. Unless you have very good hiking boots, you may want to rent some of theirs, which also are designed to fit well with the provided crampons. With various trips available, our Glacier adventure has us on the ice for close to 4 hours, and the cost is around $180 per person. As you can see, it's a perfectly smooth ride to the edge of the glacial tongue. The fact that we can this quickly and easily access a glacier truly makes Iceland one of the best countries on the planet for a glacier hike. It's already entertaining just looking down, admiring the various colors of volcanic rock, from bright burnt reds to browns, grays, and dark black. The hike itself is not all that hard, just some steady incline and getting used to walking in spikes on the uneven terrain. As we move up the glacial tongue, more of the ice beneath the ashen rock reveals itself, and every time you look up, you're met with insane views of just the edge of the glacier that covers nearly 10% of this country. This is Europe's largest glacier, measuring around 3,127 square miles. For reference, that's around 3 times the size of the US state of Rhode Island, and the Vatnajokull glacier is equal in size to all the glaciers on the European mainland put together. We felt pretty small. There are around 30 outlet glaciers flowing from Vatnajökull's ice cap. Jökull is the one that leads to the world-famous Jökulsárlón glacial lagoon, which blew us away. The average thickness of the ice is over 1,300 feet, which is approximately a quarter of a mile and 300 feet taller than the Eiffel Tower. This was an absolute bucket list adventure. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like the video, leave a comment if you have one, and subscribe for more travel videos.